What's up, my viewers and subscribers? I don't know the thing, man. I don't know what's a newlink there from newlink production. So, right about now, people. Zine, how, Jano, killing again. Yeah. You know, from the other day, a couple of days now, you know, it's a newlink no upload, no crime video, no killing video. You understand? Yeah, man. So, at times, I see where plenty of people been saying newlink every day talk about killing and this and that. You know what I mean? Which they don't really watch all of my vlogs, them, so they won't understand. But from the other day, but now people have some really terrible news that I really want to share with you about some incident that been taking place in Jamaica. Because over a 24-hour period, 6 persons has gone down across Jamaica, you know what I mean, which is terrible. And over a 76-hour period, over 18 persons has been gunned down in Jamaica. Yeah, it's no joke. It's saying plain thing, people. It's serious. You understand? If a newlink say it, a real thing. I don't know. Attack. So that's basically 3 days and 4 hours. You understand? And it's terrible, man. You know what I mean? It's really terrible. So in the end, you know, people, all we're going to talk about, it's an incident that took place in Old Harbour. You know what I mean? Really sad and terrible incident. And in the first scenario of this incident is where 3 brothers, you know what I mean? 3 brothers has end up get shot, which one of them has now died. You get me? And it is said that the first thing that occurred, people, is when these 3 brothers was at a party in Old Harbour. You know what I mean? Alongside other patrons. They said that unknown assailants, gunmen, burst into the party. People start spraying several shots. That happened like 2 weeks ago. Several shots. You know what I mean? Hitting 8 persons get shot. In the end, 2 of these persons succumbed to their injuries. They passed away, while the other 6 has been treated in hospital. You know what I mean? So in now that the 2 weeks happening, but 3 brothers was there. But one of the brother that was there, people, a little minutes before that occurred, he was there, and he, like him said, you know, me I go down to my yard, go deal with something, I feel too good though. You understand him say he never feel good, and he managed to just go. But as him cut people, that's when these men burst into the party, and you know what I mean? So this brother now, people, who managed to, you know, the spirit who managed to lead him away from that party. You know what I mean? Just to tell you how life is, you know. The spirit managed to lead him away, and he didn't get shot or nothing that time, people. His 2 brothers got shot. You know what I mean? Luckily, they hasn't died. But now, people, hear the sad part about it now. Just like a couple of days ago now, this brother now, people, was at his home when gunman now burst into his home. He has a 1-year-old child, people. He hold the 1-year-old child just to protect himself. Or say, you know what I mean? He think when they see him with his baby, because he's holding the child and he's crying and begging him and say, yo, do not kill me, left me pity, please, no kill me, do me a beg, you know. But people, the heart of the man, them not check, them not care, no heart is there inside. And them say the man, them just start beat it up on him, people. You know what I mean? Them beat it up on him. Honestly, him not make it, people. Him dead. You know what I mean? And in the end, when police come and everybody, they found the 1-year-old suffering also from a gunshot wound. So the 1-year-old is now in hospital, you know what I mean, in serious condition, being treated for this gunshot wound and thing, people, while the father is gone. You know what I mean? So, yo, me I tell the people, so, you know what I mean? Something not right. Something got down with these 3 brothers. Because differently, you can't say, them money I want, you know, people. These are the men that they want. So some mix up going in something, and that's why newlink always say, you know. You see, sometimes you say plenty look at things go on a yard. You know what I mean? People been killing, people been dying. Someone would die too, you know, people. Nobody believe say, I know bad man, them and them do things to other people, other family members, and other family member hurt same way, you know, and them retaliate, and it's called like revenge, you know, people. Several persons who you see are dead and I get gunshot and then something there, you know. They're not really innocent like what you think, you know. And the feel say, because they have them honest bread and them a work hard and the man just come kill them or not like that. You know what I mean? Several bad men out there being killed by other bad men also. And a lot of time these news do come across and we do talk about them, and deep inside if you know the full root of where they something I come from, we just say, my God, him deserve it. John was so much wickedness and cruelness in do. How if you do that to people in family, and expect the people in family are going to turn over back on them. My God Almighty. You know how much money he put on around a pen cemetery, you know how much money he put on a dove cutter up and made the rest of this. You know what I mean? It do happens many times. So you may not know what go on, but yo, make you say, be careful Stay upon the safe lane. Stay upon the new link lane. Stay upon the positive lane. Stay out of trouble. You know what I mean? Nobody try going on something where you going to mix up and go around people and put up a life at risk and your family life at risk. Because of any idea, it just don't hurt it. Remember Newlink telling you that. You don't know the thing of people. This is Newlink from Newlink Production and we say attack. You don't know me do it, people. Well, me even go too long in nothing because I love my people. I'm relax and have a great and good time, you know what I mean? And you don't know it to come on to a Christmas. When I get in a Christmas cake, oh, a 2 my boy. You understand me? 1 already and I have 1 more for work pan. You don't know the thing of man. So don't know the thing of people. This is Newlink from Newlink Production. No. I ain't a baker. I can't bake it, so I don't bake no cake. No, I don't bake no Christmas cake. I can bake pudding. I bake pudding, but the Christmas cake, I never bake it before. Yeah, man, I can bake it. So, bless up, people. Enough love, enough respect for everyone who attack, who support the thing. And remember, if you want to contribute to the channel, there's a PayPal link below. You can just get a contribution if you want. Bless Newlink with something for your Christmas. Don't, if you order a Newlink put in, don't Newlink deserve something for your Christmas, too. Not true. I mean, man, to support the Newlink, I mean, I beg, you know. Nobody say Newlink, I beg, you know, because yo, some people are let's come from my channel and just talk, man. Disrespect, man. Hey. Peace, love, respect. I'm out. Big up for the self attack. Follow me on IG, Newlink_production official. On Facebook, Newlink production. On Twitter, Newlink production. On where's? Oh, me no giant Snapchat. Peace out.